Welcome to my channel Exam Guide Ace the Exam. Welcome back. Again we are here to learn about the Kpsc PYQ series part 3. If you have not watched our part 1 and part 2, please do watch it and then come and watch this Kpsc PYQ 3 because it has a interlinkage of topics from 1 and 2 and for sure it will increase your marks. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel and share with your friends, and please do like and share and watch now completely. You will understand how it is useful for your exams. This is the playlist which has been created in our YouTube channel. Just type at GK exam guide for to join our YouTube channel and to join our Telegram channel. And the first video related to Kpsc PIQ series part 1 has already reached 2500 plus views, and part 2 has reached 1000 views, and how to approach the GK for Kpsc exam. Please do watch this video. This has the most very important subject wise segregated topics which has been asked in Kpsc previous year question papers in all stages of Group A, Group B, Group C level of papers. What is the special thing about this KPSC PIQ series part 3? This is exclusively for Group B paper for upcoming exam of AO and AO exam which is scheduled in September month. This Group B paper has been conducted in the February month just 3 to 4 months back. So this is very crucial for upcoming exams. The veterinary officer's exam has been also going to schedule in upcoming days. Please do watch and share to your friends. Okay, we will start with the first question now. The first question is about the money bill. Consider the following statements with regard to the money bill in Union Legislature. Please do read correctly in the Union Legislature. The question may be formed in state legislature also. Next is no bill is a money bill unless. Okay, we have noted down the two key points from this question. They are money bill and Union Legislature. Now we will do the background studies. Let's start. First we will see the important articles. Please do remember the article number from 107 to 111. It is related to the legislative procedure. 107 is related to the introduction of the bills in the parliament, and 108 is related to the joint sitting, and 109 it has been asked in 2024 prelims direct question, simple question, special procedure in respect to money bill. And 110, it is the most crucial and very important according to your question. It is related to the definition of money bill. What is the money bill? And 111 is related to assent of bills. Please do read what is the 112th, very important and asked in many exams. It is nothing but annual financial statement. What we will call simple terms budget. Okay, now we will learn. See, here the simple thing is you must see the difference between the union and state legislature difference. Look at this here. We have just learnt 107 to 101 articles which is related to legislative procedure in the union. Part 5 is related to the union. Part 6 related to the state legislature. Please compare, learn one and learn the same with respect to the state also. It is the very easiest way to learn the polity, especially this part. 107 to 111 related to the legislative procedures of the bills. Similarly, 196 to 201 the legislative procedure related to the state. Here 109 has definition of the money bill. Similarly, here 119 has the definition of the money bill. Similar, same kinds. Please do read like this only, then only it will help you to for upcoming exams. You can see here the 124 to 147, it is the Union Judiciary. Here 214 to 221 is the State Judiciary, that is High Court, and this is Supreme Court. Please do compare this. See here 176th article says about the Attorney General of the India and 165 says about the Advocate General of India. And see 52 to 73 says about the President and Vice President. 153 to 162 says about the Governor. Simple things, very very important things. You should learn in this way only. Then only you can mark the correct answer and you can remember easily. Okay, now we will learn about the bills, types of the bills, and which is the very important aspect and the concept in the polity, and which is asked very frequently in UPSC exams and Kpsc exams and KA exams. In all exams related to the polity questions related to the bills, the question has been asked. And very important thing, please listen carefully. First we will see about the ordinary bill. Ordinary bill, the related article is 107 and 108. It is introduced in Lok Sabha and both Rajya Sabha. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the ordinary bill can be introduced. Who can introduce it? The minister or the private member can introduce it. Recommendation of the president not required. And amendment or rejection by it can be done. And joint sitting summoned by the president. President's role, he or she can reject, approve or return for reconsideration. This is about the ordinary. Similarly, please listen carefully. Money bill. The question is related to the money bill. The article is 110. It can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. Where it can be introduced? Only in Lok Sabha. And introduced by only ministers. Recommendation of the president required. Instead, governor. Similarly, amendment or rejection by Rajya Sabha? No. Can only recommend but not binding. The Rajya Sabha can only recommend, do this, do that, but it is left to the Lok Sabha to accept it or reject it. Joint sitting? Never, never ever joint sitting in money bill. President rule? Reject or approve but no return. Only two. He or she can reject or approve but she cannot return. Next we will come to Financial Bill 1 and Financial Bill 2. See 117 clause 1 related to Financial Bill 1 and Financial Bill 2 117 clause 3. Financial Bill 1 can be introduced only in Lok Sabha, but Financial 2 can be introduced in both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Similarly, it can be introduced by minister or private body. Similar, same thing. Required for Financial Bill, it required, only required for consideration for Financial Bill 2. Amendment can be done for both, summoned by president, same. Reject, approve or return. And coming to this also, Constitutional Amendment Bill. Here the article is 368. The constitutional amendments we have learnt. Recent amendments, 106th amendment, 105, 104, 103, 102, 101 and 100. We have learnt in PIQ series number 2. Please go and watch it again if you are not remembering, because the many questions have been asked in recent amendments. The constitutional amendment can be introduced both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, but not in state legislature. Keep this in mind. And introduced by members or private members. Recommendation not required. Amendment can be done. Joint sitting no provision. President role, he must approve. can't reject or can't return. Must approve. This is the things about the types of the bills. Now we will see the question. Why can't you solve? You can solve the question very easily. And one more thing, who will certify the bill as money bill? Please do remember, the speaker will certify it. Only the speaker has the discretionary power. He can make this as the money bill, consider this as the money bill. No bill is a money bill unless it satisfies the requirement of the article 110. We said 110 article, it is given. So this is the right statement according to me and according to the constitution. The President of India certifies the bill as money bill. I said here the speaker certifies, not a president, so this is wrong statement. The difference between two houses on money bill, joint setting, simple thing I have said here, joint setting there is no provision for the money bill. Simple thing, this is also wrong. The president cannot return the money bill to the legislature for reconsideration. See here, no return. What the question the examiner said? Cannot return the money bill. Same. No return. Right. C. Option number 2. This is the right option. This is the Kpsc question which has been asked only 3 to 4 months back. This is the concept related to this. Next question we are here to learn. It is related to the economics. I have said in the GK strategy video that the Kpsc is fond of asking the economics, the curve related questions. See this Phillips curve. They have given Phillips curve. You should know what is Phillips curve before attending this question. Then we will go to the question. Lorentz curve, we will see what is the Lorentz curve. Lorentz curve is related to the income or wealth distribution in the economy. Income or wealth, if it comes in the question, it is related to the Lorentz curve. What is Phillips curve? We have the question related to Phillips curve. Please listen carefully. It shows the trade-off between the inflation and the unemployment. It is just a relation, trade-off between the inflation and unemployment in short run. Similarly, Kuznets curve illustrates relationship between income equality and economic development. Laffer's curve, a tax rates and tax revenue. Angel's curve, household expenditure on a good changes with income. Environmental Kuznets curve, same Kuznets curve environmental. It is related to the economic growth and environmental degradation. Oken's law curve, it is related to unemployment to the changes to the GDP. And these are the shapes. Please do read this. And we will come to the question now. What this question says. The Phillips curve is defined as direct definition they have asked. The increase in the inflation due to economic growth leading to a job creation and decrease in unemployment. What we said shows the trade-off between the inflation and the unemployment in the short run. See here, inflation is there, unemployment is there, and this is the right option. Inflation and employment are inversely related. No, this can't be right option related to this. So the answer will be only A. Okay, next question we are going to learn. It is related to the economics. And it says which of the following forms the RBI's forex reserves. Okay, the keyword we are going to learn here is about RBI we will learn, and we will see what are the components of RBI forex reserves. First we will see what are the components of the RBI forex reserves. See, forex reserves, what are these forex reserves? Forex reserves are nothing but the external assets in the form of the gold. It can be in the form of the gold, in the special drawing rights, are foreign currency assets and FDI and external commercial borrowings and reserves in the IMF. The definition only covers all these things, but also we'll see what are the components. The components of the forex reserve is foreign currency asset, gold reserve, special drawing rights, and reserve tranche in international monetary fund. Okay, out of these foreign currency are the biggest components. Okay, followed by the gold. First is biggest, next gold. Please do remember this. Now we can solve this question first. So if the following terms are part of the RBI, see, foreign currency asset, it is there, right? Gold reserve, it is there. Reserve position in IMF, it is there. Special drawing rights in MFS. All the options are right, so the answer will be all of the above. Very simple option if you know this concept. And next we will see Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India has been recommended by the Hilton Young Commission in 1926, and in 1934 the Reserve Bank of India Act has been passed by the British government, and it has been established in April 1, 1935 in Calcutta. Where? In Calcutta. It has been established in Calcutta. And the RBI nationalized when it nationalized in 1949. And you should remember these key concepts. Who is the first governor of the RBI? Sir Osborne Smith. And first Indian governor is C.D. Deshmukh. Please do remember these 2 points. And what are the functions? Please do remember this main function, banker to the other banks. What does it mean? It has been asked in the Kpsc, PYQ and UPSC also. Bankers to the other banks means it is the lender of last resort. And bank for central clearance, settlements and transfers, and custodian of the cash reserves of commercial bank. If the bank has been in problem, it can go and ask the RBI. The RBI will be the lender of the last resort to the other commercial banks. This is the thing. And it has supervisory function also, like issuing the bank license and set minimum reserves and inspect commercial banks. And monetary authority, it maintains the price stability and promoting the economic growth. We have discussed in previous PIQ series about monetary policy and monetary committee also. Please do watch that also. And issuer of currency notes. You have seen the note. If you have not seen, please see in the currency note. There will be a sign of the RBI governor. Issue of currency notes. And manager of foreign exchange means it is the custodian for foreign exchange reserves. See, this is the forex reserve. And regulations, it governs the forex market. And last one, banker to the government. If the RBI manages all financial operations of the central government under the RBI Act 1934, acts as banker to the state government through agreements. And this is about the RBI also. Next question is related to the current affairs also. See how the Kpsc PIQ series helps you, because we studied related to finance commission in Kpsc PIQ series 1, and we analyzed the 2023 paper, and I said about the recent current affair, that is 16th Arvind Panagaria has been appointed as the chairman when it came to see who is the first finance commission. It will help you a lot. See here the direct statement, Sri Arvind Panagaria is appointed as the chairman of the commission. Yes, right, Home 16 Finance Commission. 16 finance recommendations will be implemented from the period of 1st April 2026 for 5 years. And we will read this also. 16 financial recommendations will be, see, 2 similar statements, I said similar like statements. So there is a probability of getting one right only. Please do remember, only one can be a right. Not 2 of them will be wrong also, 2 of them will also right also. Only one will be right. So if you seen this correctly, you could have done this properly. See, the 15th Finance Commission, which has been appointed in 2017 in K. Singh, and the operational duration will be ended on 2020 to 2026 for 2026. Here what they gave 1st April of 2025. No, this is wrong. This is wrong and this is right. So the answer will be only A and B. See how our KPSC PYQ series will help you in the exams. Here only we are seeing how the KPSC is repeating the question themes. And next we will see about tiger reserves. See, in KPSC PIQ series 2, if you are not watched, please do watch. We have discussed many facts about the tiger reserves in India, and same has been repeated here also. Kamlang Tiger Reserve is located in southeast of the lower district of the Arunachal Pradesh. Namdafa Tiger Reserve in Changland. Yes. See, Arunachal Pradesh keyword and tiger reserve. Okay, we will see now which are the tiger reserves in northeast states. And we will solve this. Okay, first we will find these two only. Where this Kamlang Tiger Reserve? See, this is Kamlang Tiger Reserve. This is Namdafa Tiger Reserve. This has been in the Arunachal Pradesh. This is your Arunachal Pradesh. See, this is your Arunachal Pradesh, and this is Kamlang, and this is Namdafa Tiger Reserve. Okay. See, this Namdafa Tiger Reserve is very nearer to the Myanmar border. They have given it is surrounded and the southeast. Yes, this is right, and this is also right, and the answer will be statement both 1 and 2 are right. We will see other tiger reserves also here. Kaziranga National Park Tiger Reserve is in. First we will see one by one. In Arunachal Pradesh, we can see Namdafa Tiger Reserve and Kamlang Tiger Reserve, and we can see Dibang Tiger Reserve, Mauling National Park, and Nameri National Park and Tiger Reserve in Assam and Arunachal Pradesh border. And in Assam, we can see the Kaziranga National Park and Tiger Reserve and Orang National Park and Tiger Reserve. And we can see here Raimona National Park and Manas National Park in Assam. And when we come to the national parks here, many are there. Please do and read this. Kabul Lamjo National Park is very important, and Loktak Lake they have given here Ramsar site, and Deepor Bill, please do remember it is in Assam. Upcoming question is related to this also. Please do see this map clearly and understand, and very important, northeast India, the questions are been framed from this. 100% one question will be in every paper. In any exam you write something, they will ask about northeast India. Okay, next question. We are related to the environment. Which of the following is not an example of the short-lived pollutant? In the question itself, it is the short-lived pollutant. What is the meaning of that word? Short-lived pollutant means the lifespan of that pollutant is short-lived. Okay, which of the following is not an example? We will see this one by one, and we will decide the answer. Short-lived climate pollutants. You can see here black carbon, methane, ozone, and hydrofluorocarbons. These are short-lived climate pollutants. Why? What is the lifetime? See, black carbon only some days, and methane for 12 years, and tropospheric ozone for the weeks, and hydrofluorocarbons for 15 years. This is the lifetime in atmosphere about the short-lived climate pollutants. For the long-lived climate pollutants, that is mainly carbon dioxide. See, less than 100 years, more than 1000 years also. it can be survived in the climate, so it is long lived. So the answer is carbon dioxide. It is the long lived and other three are the short lived. They have asked not, so the right answer will be the carbon dioxide. And one more thing you must learn here is that carbon dioxide is more available greenhouse gas, but which is the most potent, means efficient greenhouse gas, means which traps more heat, it is methane, and SF6 traps more heat more than methane. Please do remember this. But which is the most contribution of the greenhouse gas is CO2, but which has the most efficient to heat up the atmosphere is methane and SF6, that is sulfur hexafluoride. And this is about this question, and we will go to the next question. The dewdrops are not formed on cloudy night because this is 2019 UPSC CSE question. Please do remember this. And it has been asked in Group B HK paper 2025. The dewdrops are not formed on cloudy night because. I will explain what is the dewdrop. In early morning, you go on for the walking or running, you can see some water droplets in the atmosphere near to the leaves or the grasses, and this is called dewdrops. I hope you have understood what is the dewdrop now. And the question is, the dewdrops are not formed on a cloudy sky. Why on cloudy nights the dewdrops are not formed? See, these are the clouds, and this is the atmosphere, and this is the tree. And what is the condition to form the dewdrops? Please do remember this condition. First, there must be a clear sky. One thing, calm air. High relative humidity must be there. What is this relative humidity? Watery sense, the water vapors in the atmosphere. This and cold and long night. What? Cold and long night must be there. This is the condition for the dewdrops. Okay, when the moisture is deposited in the air in the form of water droplets on the cooler surface, this is called dew. On the leaves also you can see this is the dew. What is dew? And next, the dew point and freezing point. There are 2 points. The dew point must be above the freezing point. Then only dew can be formed. If the sky is clear, you can see the dew. But when it is cloudy, you can't see. Why? Because the simple thing you must understand, when there is a cloud, the radiation from the earth want to escape, the heated radiations, but these clouds will not leave to escape. It bounce backs and this atmosphere will become heated and it can't cool. No cooling means no dew. So simple thing, the clouds reflect back the earth's radiation, and this is the answer for this question. Okay, next question is related to match the following, and it is related to the Indian institutes, that is mainly ICR institutes. What is this ICR? Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Where it is this? It is in New Delhi. Okay, first we will see Indian Institute of Horticultural Research. Okay, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is in Bangalore. It's in Bangalore, Karnataka. IIHR in Bangalore. Please do remember this. National Horticultural Board and Indian Institute of Vegetable Research and CPCRI. Central Plantation Crops Research Institute in Kasaragodu, Kerala. Okay, D option is 4 and A option is 1. See, already they have given matched option as the right one. And this is also Kpsc habit. Many times I have been observed that they will match and give the answer, but you struck in the exam and get confused and go to the wrong question. IHR in Bangalore, National Horticulture Board in Haryana, that is Gurgaon, and IIVR, Vegetable Research in Varanasi, CPCRI in Kasargodu, Kerala. And remember this, ICR has nearly 4 deemed universities. What are that 4 deemed universities? One is ICAR, which is in New Delhi. Sorry, 4 deemed universities, which are then, first one is IARI, not ICR, IARI, it is in New Delhi. And next one is NDRI, Karnal, National Dairy Research Institute. And next is Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI, it is in Isant Nagar. And Central Institute of Fisheries Education, it is in Mumbai. These are 4 deemed universities, and there are 49 institutions, nearly 49 institutions, and 17 national research centers, 22 directorates, please do comment where is Indian Institute of Soil Science and where is the Indian Institute of Sugar Research. Please do comment this. And next question, we are here related to the geography. We are here with the geography. What is the question we will see? First, with reference to the Himalayan river system of India, consider the following statements. 3 major rivers of the system are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra comprise the system. Correct. This is correct. These are in the Himalayas only. The origin is also in the Himalaya. And next is, many of these rivers existed even before the Himalaya range. Yes, 100%. Before Himalaya uplifted, these were present in the Himalaya, in that place only. The Himalayan rivers are the typical example of accident. Correct. The answer is all 3 are correct. Simple and very basic question. We will now see what is the difference between the Himalaya river and Peninsular river. It has been asked in many PYQ questions. Please do hear this carefully. It is the comparison between Himalaya and Peninsular rivers of India. First we will see what is the place of origin. The place of origin for Himalayan river is glaciers, and for the Peninsular river is plateau, Peninsular plateau, that is Deccan Plateau or Central Highlands. And next, what is the nature of the flow? It is perennial, continuous. As the glacier melts, the river will be continuously flowing and the rainfall also it will happen. But in Peninsular river, it is seasonal because it is completely dependent on the monsoon rainfall. And Himalayan river have the type of drainage that is antecedent and consequent, leading to dendritic pattern in plains. Please remember, this is the type of drainage, antecedent and consequent, leading to dendritic pattern, means dendritic pattern in the plains. And For a peninsular river, it is superimposed, rejuvenated, resulting trellis, radial and rectangular pattern of drainage. We will study about these types of drainage in upcoming lectures. And what is the nature of the river? See, it is long course flowing through rugged mountains because Himalayas mountains, heading erosion and river capturing in plains, meandering and shifting. What is meanders? We will see in upcoming class or upcoming video. And here these are the very smaller river. They have fixed valleys and they will go in that path only. And very large basins for Himalayan and smaller basin compared to the Himalaya. And these Himalayan rivers are very young and youthful and active and very fast flowing. And these are the old rivers, that is peninsular rivers. This is the difference between Himalayan and peninsular rivers of India. Okay, we will see about the next question. What is related to the next question? And this question is related to the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation, that is types of forest. Simple question, and we will solve once we learn the different types of forests in our India. Okay, please do hear this carefully. See, first we will start from tropical evergreen forest. See, it has well stratified. Stratified means the canopy word is very important for this evergreen. Stratification means layer by layer. Forest, this is tropical evergreen forest with the canopy word you should remember, and well stratified with layers of the tall trees, short trees. Okay, and what is the rainfall? About 200 centimeter, and annual temperature is about 22 degrees Celsius. And where we can find this tropical evergreen? It is in western slope of the Western Ghats and especially in northeast region and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And this is very important. What are the trees we will find there? Rosewood, mahogany, ebony. These are frequently asked in UPSC also and Kpsc also. Next we are coming to the semi-evergreen forests, and it has the mixture of this evergreen and deciduous both. And here the major species are cedar, hullock and kali. About the tropical deciduous forest. These are also known as monsoon forest, and majority of the area in our India is tropical deciduous forest. Please do remember this. And there are two types of forest. One is moist deciduous and another dry deciduous. What is the difference? The difference is in rainfall. 100 to 200 centimeter is moist deciduous and 70 to 100 centimeter is dry deciduous. And see here the northeastern states along foothills of the Himalayas and eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Odisha, we can find the tropical moist deciduous. Western slope of the Western Ghats is a tropical evergreen. Eastern slope of the Western Ghats is tropical moist deciduous. And we can find mainly teak, sal, sesame, Moa and Amla and Kusum and Sandalwood in moist deciduous. Coming to dry deciduous in the peninsular region and southern part of the Rajasthan and UP Bihar, the tendu leaves. You have heard about tendu leaves? It has been asked very frequently. Tendu is from tropical dry deciduous. And next is tropical thorn forest. Thorny bushes. You heard it is in desert. So you can see the semi-arid areas in Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and MP and UP, the rainfall is very less, that is less than 50 centimeter. And the major species are Kejri, Care, Neem, Date Palm, Babul, Bear, Wild. These are the species. And next we mangrove forest. These are the littoral plants grown in marine water. Evergreen plants, salt tolerant and have hematopores root. Have you seen the mangroves trees? Small opening roots are there. These are called nematopores roots. and the rainfall is same as like tropical and subtropical seas. And where we can find it is in Sundarbans, Bhitarkanika in Odisha, Godavari Krishna Delta, and Vedaranyam in Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. In Honnavara side you can see the mangrove forests in Karnataka. What are the species? The major species are Rhizopora species and Cereops Dicendra species. This is about the different types of forest in our India, and we will solve the question now. Tropical wet evergreen forest is found in the area of more than 200 centimeter above rainfall along the western coast of Kerala. Okay, and next we will see the moist deciduous forests are found with the record annual rainfall of between 100 to 200 centimeter. Second statement. Okay, tropical thorn forest in the areas of annual rainfall between 70 to 100 centimeter. Mangrove forests occur in desert areas of Russia. See, we have said mangrove forests occur in the delta regions near to the rivers and estuaries. They have given desert areas. Simply you can solve this. Can cross out the last option. Next we will see the next which are the three options. Okay. The tropical thorn forests in the areas of annual rainfall. So, see here 70 to 100 is tropical dry desert. They have given tropical thorn forest. So this is also wrong. And we can go with third option also. Next we will see about the other two remaining options, what they will say. Tropical wet evergreen forest is found in the area more than the 200 centimeter rainfall. 200 centimeter rainfall, okay, along the western coast. Okay, what we said, western slope of the Western Ghats. Okay, Western Ghats is near the Kerala, so this is right. A is right. The moist deciduous forests, you have given 100 to 200 and here it is 100 to 200. This is also right. The option will be only A and B. This is about this concept. Coming to the next question. The next question is related to the shifting cultivation. What is this shifting cultivation? Shifting cultivation is simple, nothing but the piece of land is there. They will do agriculture here, and after some years or some months they will shift to the another. This is shifting cultivation. Slash and burn cultivation is also type of shifting cultivation. Zoom cultivation you have heard in the northeastern states. It is in our India, and this is also type of shifting cultivation. Okay, we will see now the background areas. First we will see what are the shifting cultivations name in our India. See, zoom cultivation I was talking, it is in northeast India, and Podu means in Andhra Pradesh, and Kumari in the western Ghats of Kerala, and Kaman Vinga Davi in the Odisha, Jara and Erka in southern states, and in southeastern Rajasthan it is called Batra, and Weaver and Daiyar in the Madhya Pradesh, and Bastar region Madhya Pradesh it is called Deepa. And this is the names of shifting cultivation in our India. But here they have asked in countries. Now we will see the countries. Countries name. Okay, Ray in Vietnam. Ray in Vietnam. Simple Ray in Vietnam. Tavi in Madagascar. Mansole in Congo. Here see Congo, Mansole, Masole. Congo region it is Masole. They have given Ceylon in China. Ceylon means Sri Lanka. Here we find Sri Lanka, it is China. See, China in Sri Lanka. Okay, what is in South Central America and Mexico? It is Milia. They have given Milpa. It is Milia. From where is Milpa? Milpa in Yucatan and Guatemala. So this is wrong. And next, coming to Thailand. Thailand is Tamri. T for T. Remember Tamri in Thailand. They have given Konoko. And you can see the Philippines, Karizan, Tongia in Myanmar, Fang in Equatorial African countries, Logan in Western Africa, Comile in Mexico, Acalin in Guadeloupe, Roca in Brazil, and this is the naming. And here we can find two are right and two are wrong. That is B and C are right, correct, but here we can't able to the match. So we will see. In Central America it is Milia, but they have given Milpa. But according to us, it may be also right. So the key answer given by the Kpsc is only ABC. And this is the right answer. Question is related to the Ramsar sites, and in Kpsc part 1 we have discussed in detail about the Ramsar wetland sites. Recent added 91 sites have also been discussed there, and what are recently added. And the main thing, 3 has been added in our Karnataka, that is Agnashini Estuary, Magadi Kere Conservation Reserve and Ankana Samudra Bird Reserve. This has been added, and recently added 2 what Rajasthan Kichan and Menar joint Ramsar site and counts up to 91. And the first Ramsar site was added Chilka Lake and Kiladana National Park, and highest Ramsar sites in Tamil Nadu. Deepor Bell in Assam. Please remember this, Deepor Bell, it is in Assam. And Sirpur wetland, it is in Madhya Pradesh. They have given the Sirpur, it is in Madhya Pradesh. And Kabartal wetland site is in Bihar. And Pala wetland, it is there in Mizoram. So after joining Deepor Bell, it is in Assam, A3. Okay, 2 option. And Kabartal wetland in 1. And Sirpur in Madhya Pradesh. Pala wetland in Assam. Pala wetland, it is D2. D2 means only this also gone, and the answer will be 4th option. Simple option, simple things. For more, please do watch our Kpsc part 1. You will understand in detail about the Ramsar wetland sites. And next we are coming to the RLC, and this has been asked in UPSC also, which is the shrinking sea, that is RLC. And they have asked RLC is located in between which countries. We will see the first location and we will then answer. It is simple. You can see here it is the RLC, and nowadays it is shrinking due to anthropogenic source influence. See, this is Kazakhstan and this is Uzbekistan. See, the RLC only border between these two states, that is countries, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. Option A. The answer is simple. Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan countries border this RLC. And we can see here another one sea name is Kpsc. To remember the Kpsc countries, Tariq, it is the trick for Kpsc. Caspian Sea. What is this Tariq? Please do elaborate in the comment section. And another one is very important and frequently asking question is related to Red Sea. Which are the countries bordering the Red Sea? The trick to remember the countries bordering Red Sea is Dead Sea. One is Djibouti, Egypt, Eritrea, Sudan, Saudi Arabia, and Yemen. This is the trick. And this is about the three seas and their surrounding countries. And now we are coming to the quant part. Quant means mental ability part. We will see the question first. If the compound interest, this is the concept compound interest. Remember, concept is related to the compound interest. In our first part we have done about the simple interest. Now we are compound interest. What is the formula for the compound interest? Compound interest is equal to this is the formula of the compound interest. Please do remember this. They have given 5% interest. R is 5%. Okay. So for the 2 years they have given. See, compound interest means if you have 100 rupees, 5% is the rate of interest. Next year it will get 5%, but this 5% will also get the 5% interest. That is 0.25. So overall the percentage will be 10.25%. It is compound interest. 10.25% has become 246. They have given the compound interest, it is 246. Simple thing, we must find that 1% will become 240. The 1% will become 24, not 240, it will become 24. So 100%, this will be the principal amount and it will become 2400 rupees. This is the principal amount. And what they have asked in the question. Question they asked about simple interest on the same sum, same rate. The sum is 2400. Principal. Time they have given 2. And rate I have given 5. And 100. PTR by 100. Simple interest. 5 to the 10. 240 rupees. The answer is 240 rupees. I hope you have understood the concept about this question. And coming to this question, Sneha and Savita and Smita jointly invested. Okay. Sneha, Savita and Smita jointly invested 30,000 rupees. Okay. What they have said, if Sneha invested 5,000 less than the Smita, Sneha 5,000 less than x minus 5,000 and Savita is x plus 5,000. Remember, when we add 3 also, 3x is equal to 30,000. So x will become 10,000. So from this we will come to know that Sneha, Savita and Smita's amount, how much they have invested. X is for Smita 10,000, 15,000 for Savita and Sneha it is 5,000 rupees. We will take ratio 1:2, 1:3:2. This is the ratio you must remember. 1:3:2 is the ratio of the amount they have been invested. What is the profit? Profit is 12,000 rupees. They have asked Smita. Smita is 2. So total will be 6 parts. So 6 into 2. So 6 1 ja, 6 2000 ja. So 2 into 2000 is 4,000 rupees is the share of Smita. And 4,000 is the answer for this question. And this is all about the Kpsc PIQ series part 3 and the most expected series has been done, which is related to the Group B SK paper 2025. And the question now is, all are supporting very well and we are very happy about it. If you have not watched our PIQ series, the playlist has been created. Please do watch and score well in your upcoming exams, and all are eager to next video when will be uploaded, that is part 4. The part 4 video includes Kpsc, that is KS prelims paper questions of Group A, and this video will be delayed for some days as we are working on some more important series which will help you to get more marks in upcoming series, in upcoming exams, mainly that AO exam which has been scheduled in 7th of September for HK reason. We are coming with one new series and we will announce it in our YouTube channel soon. So this part 4 will be delayed, and how much it will be delayed? Not more days. Once we complete 1500 subscribers in our channel, we will upload this Kpsc PIQ series part 4. But once you will get the hall ticket, that is 10 days before your exam, we are thinking to launch one short series and we will announce it soon once the hall ticket of your exam will be out. Thank you for your love and support. Please do subscribe our channel. Please do like and share our Kpsc PIQ series. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, please do join our Telegram channel. Please do join our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.